Hey guys, it's your girl 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐬 back with another video. Today, something very exciting pertaining to YouTube and camera equipment. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and also a video test. I have the DJI Pocket 2 camera that I'm going to be unboxing and then also testing out. This girl that I follow, her vlogs were top tier. They were 4K. So I was like, bro, what camera is she using? Because like it literally had face tracking on it, and I was like, what is she using? So I commented and I asked her, I was just like, I love the video, the quality is amazing, what camera are you using? She responded back to me and she told me that she was using the DJI Pocket 2. I was like, oh my gosh, this is the camera that went viral on TikTok because it was known as the shy girl camera for like people who don't want to like vlog in public with a big camera in their face. It's like a pocket sized camera. I got it literally from eBay for $220, less than $300. Like, I'll take it. I was like, that's a really good deal. I definitely recommend if you do want like this camera or the 3rd generation even, or any camera in general, I recommend getting it used or refurbished, because at the end of the day a lot of people are like selling their stuff to upgrade. They're just selling it for cheaper. Like, you'll get it a lot cheaper than retail. Sometimes you can find a really good deal. Here's my little tip. Before we get into it though, make sure you guys hit that like button, make sure to hit the subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐬, and yeah, without further ado, let's unbox this and see what it's talking about. So here we have the camera, and then I also got SanDisk Extreme micro SD card, 128 gigabytes. I got this one from Amazon for like maybe like 15 bucks. Here's the camera. This is all that it comes with. Let's open it up. I'm so excited. Okay, the camera right here. But here's the camera. I think this is the windscreen for the microphone. Yep, it's so fuzzy. Alright, so we got the windscreen there. We got the mini control stick. I think this is the lens. These things are so small. We have a wide angle lens. This one is a USB-C adapter, and here's the lightning adapter. And then let's see what else. And then we have the little adjustable wrist strap. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Oh, it's like Apple. They give you little DJI stickers. We got the instructions. Next we have, this is the charger for the camera as well as the microphone. And then this is what's in the box. First we have the mini tripod. It's actually heavier than I thought. So then we have the do it all handle. This allows you to use the wireless microphone. This is just the tripod mount. And then last but not least, this is the wireless mic. And then it has a clip on the back of it. Alright, so that's everything that was in the box. Okay, so I'm about to turn the camera on now. Let's just pull it out. Maybe from the top, I guess. Oh my goodness, this thing is teeny. Do y'all see this? This thing is so small. Like, that's crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna take these things off. Oh my goodness, this is so crazy. I want to put the joystick attachment on, and then I also am gonna take off. Let me figure out how to take this off, because I don't know. I don't want to mess it up. Now the camera's on. It has a little bit more charge. It's at like 28% right now. I just downloaded the app on my phone. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. And now I could see myself. I could like see the screen of this. I do want to screen record so you guys can also see But first, before we do that, let me open up this tripod. All right. So I'm sitting it on the table, but I want to show you guys. I'm gonna screen record my screen so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. This is so crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Move the stick to control the gimbal pan into axis. Tap really adjust the camera position. Flip camera back and forth. Glamorous effects, grid, anti-flicker. Okay. Okay, so it's asking me what it wants to follow. This is so crazy. Okay, let me not fall. Okay, this is so insane. Oh, it lost me. Why did it do that? Okay, so now I can like pan my room. Let's go up. And then how do I zoom? Oh. I'm just curious to see how this footage is gonna look though. Let's put it centered. Let's also give some more lighting to me. Okay, so let me see if I could also connect the mic. Oh, was the mic on the whole time? I don't even know. I don't know if that means the mic is connected or not, but I'm assuming it is because it's green. So this is just a test and to also show you guys the video quality and sound quality on the DJI. I'm also gonna zoom in a little bit. You guys have saw the unboxing. You saw me struggle a little bit to try to figure this thing out. I would say this camera is fairly simple. It just, but not straight to the point, if that makes sense. Like once you figure out all the different settings, you're good. And definitely just watch a YouTube video or two on it, and then like messing around with it is like what's gonna teach you how to use it for real, because I've watched a few videos before I even purchased the camera, but now actually having it is like a little bit different, you know. I'm gonna show you guys a few video tests outside. I think I can stop recording it from the mic. Let me see if that's right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for my next video. See you guys in the next one, and yeah, I'm out. Bye guys.